Hello and welcome to gotstockz. Today is October 15th, 2024. The time is 3:34 p.m. So what we want to look at is the Dow Jones is currently down 333. It's having a bad day. Now let's take a look at the S&P. Here's the futures. The S&P is currently down 55 and the NASDAQ is currently down 358. The volume's accelerated, it's a complete washout, but that's something to be concerned about. Let's take a look at the S&P. It's down 56.75, currently trading at 5850.75, and all the markets look similar. We have a engulfing candle in the volume. If you look at the volume here compared to the previous days, the volume is starting to increase, which is concerning. We've had a nice little run recently, so maybe we're due for a little pullback. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones. We have the same story. We reached an all-time high and then sold off. And if you come down to here, the volume is a little bit less. That's actually a positive sign. The net change, as you can see, everything is down. ASML got smoked today. It's down 148, which is pretty substantial. Also, a good thing to pay attention to is look how Apple is actually up today and the market's getting smoked. Well, that means there's a lot of strength in Apple when the market's getting smoked. So that's something to pay attention to and something to look at as well as far as trading. If we come back here to July 15th, 2024, we reached an all-time high of 237.23. Today, we reached 237.49 and then had a sell-off. So what did Apple do? Even though it's still up, could not hold the gain and the all-time high of 237.23, but created an all-time high of 237.49, but then sold off and is currently trading at 233.37. This particular candle, even though the stock is up, this is important to look at because this is a very negative signal. If you look over here, even though it shows that the stock is trading up and the whole market's trading down, this is a very negative signal. The stock reached a high, 237.49, and then a complete sell-off of all day. So if you look at the previous day, this is why the stock is up, because the close of the previous day was 231.30, and then today opened at 233.61. So the stock gapped up. So depending on how it closes today is going to determine if this looks like a potential short. Currently, it looks like a potential short because of this candle that has formed. That is a very negative signal.